What's up, everyone? Welcome to the daily vlog. It's Lee here from the party rental shop. 5 years ago, we started from the garage. Now we're bigger. Today, we're finishing a tent install. We're putting up a 30 by 100. Before the guys get here, I'll prep the vehicles. I pulled all the garbage out of this one, gassed this one up. I'm gonna gas this one up. I'm gonna pack whatever's remaining. But other than that, that's just some catch-up work for the guys to keep them ahead. Other than that, I make sure that we're following timelines and, that there's a to-do list for them and, all sorts of stuff like that. So last year, I was kind of hard on the guys, but I've grown to realize that it's all my fault because people are only as good as you train them. And so if there's processes set up, it makes their job easier and then they can be more efficient. So I'm constantly training my wife because she's here forever to do more and more. So, but I haven't trained her how to do photo booths yet. So, she's got most of it ready. She knows how to do speakers and blah, blah, blah. But I have to get a photo booth ready. So I'm going to do that quick. So one thing for us is it's important to have prepping areas. So right there, see we've got an extension cord right down there so that we can prep, say, a photo booth up there or electronics. Right here, we've got an extension cord right there. So if we need to prep it there, then it's good. We've got one that we can plug stuff in so that we can prep electronics here. And then coming back this way, I'm not sure what they have in here, but I doubt anything. And then on our tool desk, we have one here that we can prep electronics, and then just one on the out bay where we can prep electronics that are going out the door. So we've got one right here. So for those of you who are against using labor services, I don't know why you are, because people with labor services, they come ready to work because they want to. If they don't want to work, they don't show up that day. As you can see, I've got two of my guys plus me, and then 4 labor people, and it really helps get the work done, as long as me and the 2 other guys can do delegating. Plus, with labor services, a lot of tent companies already use labor services to execute work on event days that are bigger than their normal load. So some of these labor people already know how to set up tents, and they don't really need anything because they've done it multiple times for either our company or other tent companies in our area. So labor services, absolutely fantastic. Then you don't have to pay them a full-time wage. You just pay their wage for them for the day. Plus, it's 100% tax deductible because you're actually hiring out a service. So it's like subcontracting. Well, back at the shop. Another day in the bag. Let's do it again tomorrow. We'll see you on the next one. As always, you stay classy.